Alright, so here's season 6. New ladder. Got a source. Ain't got much gear. I farmed a little bit. Got a lower ham, spirit, sword, made a rhyme shield, stealth ring word, and some other little things. But Blizzard Source can take out Mephisto pretty easy. The problem is getting there. If you can get there, get in the right spot, you can knock Mephisto out and get the goods. Alright, so once you get the Endurance of Hate, level 2, wherever you're facing, you always want to go to the left. And eventually you'll find the entrance to level 3.
My brothers have escaped you.
So I'm weak, and Mephisto would probably take me out in one hit. So I like to lure Mephisto over here and just do the moat trick that everyone knows about and just blizz Mephisto down. Because one hit from Mephisto takes probably 90% of the life. So we don't want that to happen. Well, nothing good this time. We can't all be winners. But you do this repeatedly, over and over and over, you're bound to start getting good drops. Like your Shaco, Viper Magi. Just better gear in general. That way you can farm other areas, probably respec, which I'm going to do. Respec to Nova and farm some keys. Sell those keys, get it for so on and so forth. But I appreciate you for watching. I'll make some more videos, show you where I've gotten from doing this when I started. Working on, so I don't have a lot of time over here. So I figure I'd make a video showing the new people how to do this, just get some decent gear. Anyways, thanks for watching.